Now we sent to UAT, the customers came up and say, I am fine, but why you kept it on hold like this? Okay, he asked us to change this word on hold, no space, and here small n, he asked this change. If the customer asks the change, what we need to do? What we need to do?
Update set
Let's
and create another update set with something like version 2.
very carefully understand. If customer asks something to change, what we do? Just to think and tell me.
First we check whether that requirement possible or not.
Very good. It's possible
Then
because it's just
then we
reading
can
like
release.
it. No, okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Other way, just think. Other way, someone answer it. Okay, Aarti garu answered is okay. Create update set, create data. Okay, that again change it and then move to test. This is one answer.
Dictionary entry, sir. Can we check the
So second one
dictionary
is
entry?
dictionary entry. Okay, good. What else we can check? What else we can see, or what else we can do in this particular situation? Think like you are in a project. Technically, you are thinking it. Okay, fine. Answers are right only. But what else we can still think like?
We can see the existing another table behavior, like how it looks.
But he is asking like, this is my table. Okay, I am the owner of this application. And I want like this. He's saying like that. We need to do correct. We can't compare in that case, right, with other tables, right?
Yeah.
Now, very carefully see. Okay, if I am the person who is heading this development, what I will do is I will go back to the specification document, requirement gathering document. Okay, in the document I will see what he written, the label name of this one. Okay, if he written this exact word, that means he changed the requirement. First point. Okay, if he written the exact word like this, he written like this. Okay, he written like this. But I or the developer changed like this. So now, whom to be blamed here? The developer, correct? This is what he written in the document. Okay, so very carefully see. He written in the document like this, but we made it like this. So whose wrong is this?
Developer mistake.
Developer mistake. Okay, maybe it's my mistake or the developer mistake. This is one way of seeing it. The other way of seeing it is, now the customer, he written like this in the document. No. He written like this in the document. Now he is asking us to change like this. So he changed the requirement, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If he changed the requirement, you can't blindly go and do it. You do it. I'm not objecting you to do. Okay. Then we need to say, okay, we will do it. Go and change the specification document and resubmit it. And update the story also. Then I will do. Understanding everyone? Is that needed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is.
Everyone understanding the process here? I am not saying I don't do here. I will do. But I will only do when you submit properly. If you don't submit properly, I don't do. Everyone understanding it?
Sir, the customer will resubmit it, sir.
Then they generally, when they submit a request, they will give you a kind of document. Okay, I want this table, I want this
Okay.
field, I want the field name like this and all. Okay, which we normally call it as requirement document or specification document, whatever. The naming can be anything. In the document, he given initially like this. Okay, we created according to his specifications. Now he is coming up and changing to give like this. We can do technically, but is that updated in the document, or is that updated in the story or somewhere? It is documented properly. The change documented properly. If it is not documented properly, we don't do. This is what my statement. Is that my statement correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I understood.
Yes. Okay. So when you are a team lead, if you are a process lead, if you are a developer, you need to think like this only. Okay, remember it. Customer said, sir, I need to do, sir. Customer said, sir, I need to run, sir. Don't do that overaction. Clear? If we are strong means we can do like this. If we are not strong means become strong. If you are a process owner or a team lead or a project manager or a lead, test lead, whatever it is, strict with the process. The process is specification document. Follow the document. If the document says wrong, it is your mistake. If document is right but still they are asking means it is a change. Let them submit the change. Understanding my everyone? Rules are rules. Correct? Guys, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let it be right or wrong, we don't argue here, but the change finally, we need to do this way. No